there, and welcome to Message in a Fold. Today is Scrapbook Monday. Well, Christmas is over, and you've taken a few photographs. Hopefully not this many. And now you need to figure out how to get them on layouts. And having this many photographs is enough to make you find a box and put them in there and leave them and not do a scrapbook layout. But let's not do that. Let's go ahead and make a layout. The paper kit that we will be using for today's layouts is called Christmas Jingle. 2 sheets of real red textured cardstock, chocolate chip, where is it? Very vanilla, and old olive. 2 each of textured cardstock 12 by 12. And you get 3 sheets of the designer series paper that is double-sided. This is one side of the print, and this is the other side. And you also get borders. These are all adhesive. You peel and stick them. You get 2 sheets of borders, and you get 2 sheets of stickers, and another 2 sheets of stickers and labels. This all comes in the kit. And here are the layouts that I've made with these papers. Not putting a mat behind these photos is a choice that you could make, but you can put a partial mat with photo corners using the photo corner punch. Make sure you turn your punch over upside down so you can see what you're doing, and just line your punch up, and this makes 2 sizes. And you can see by the contrasting colors how much difference there is in the size. To add multiple photos to your layout and you have very little room, I am going to show you a modified waterfall effect. You're going to take a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, and you're going to cut it at 4.5 inches long. Cut the 12 inches at 4.5, and you'll have 2 strips of 4.5, and then you'll cut each strip separately into 4.25 pieces. So you will have pieces that will be 4.5 inches long by 4.25 inches wide. And then on these 4.5 inch lengths, you're going to score your paper at 4. So you have an half inch top here, and then you're going to fold it backwards. This is where the adhesive is going to go. When you're going to attach your photo, put your snail adhesive on the top and the bottom. Your photo then is going to be lined up close to your top fold. And you're going to need about 1/8 of an inch on both sides of the photo here. So eyeball it, see what you've got on both sides. Now to add a photo to the back side, you'll do the same thing. When you put the second photo on the back, Put it on so it will be face up this way, or when someone turns it over, then they will see it. Whoops, I've got it upside down. Put it face up so that it will, you'll be able to see it when you turn it over. I'm going to use sticky strip on this flap. I'm down about 3/8 from the top, and I'm going to attach it at the 1/2 inch mark on my ruler. So I'm just going to put this against my ruler. And then press it down firmly. I have the second one ready. Now I'm going to put this edge against the bottom edge of this one. Just butt it up there. This is the strip you're going to have left over after you cut your pieces. So I'm going to use the tab punch, and I'm going to punch out several of these tabs, 4 of them, and the pieces look like this when they come out, and then you'll just fold them in half. This is what they look like, and then you attach them to, oops, then you attach them to your project. I am going to add some Old Olive ink . There, you can see the difference that inking the edges makes. It makes a contrast between the tab and the matte paper, since they are the same. Alright, I'm going to use some snail adhesive on this tab. You get the adhesive pretty close to the bottom edge of this. You can see there. Then when you're going to attach it, attach the back side first, and I'm going to attach it on this back photo, and this edge here, this one and this one, I'm going to line up on the photo on the back, and then on the front, and then there you have your tab. Now the layout is finished. At least one page of it is, and I have 2 places where there's extra photos, and I like this better than what I had first attempted and had to tear apart.